The next piece is surcharges and discounts. So once again, we're seeing the same type of sales filter: customer, customer price group, all customers. Customer hierarchy is a key one here. What this allows us to do then is to apply, as it says, a surcharge to a transaction. So this could be if you've got a minimum order amount, if you've got a freight surcharge, if you just have a freight charge, if you want to maybe have an insurance charge based on a particular type of transaction or something like this. But I want to add a charge to the invoice based on some set of conditions. It could even be an item filter if I wanted to. If I buy a certain item, I want to charge X dollars for insurance for freight on it for some reason. So we've got some clients that do that if they're selling a particular item that's maybe extremely valuable and you want to pass on an insurance charge for shipping, something like that. That's what you could do then with the surcharges. So again, this would allow you to do a particular amount or a percentage on the invoice. The thing to note here on the sales order is this is going to be evaluated at the time you release the invoice. So if you're familiar with sales order processing, I've got an open sales order and then I release the sales order. The release step is what will then evaluate the surcharge discount as well as the in-kind components. If you want to essentially force that calculation, there's a way to do that on the sales order. All right, discounts, really the same concept as the surcharges, so I still can filter based on items, different types of customer groups, customer hierarchy, and that sort of thing. One thing to note is this is using an item charge transaction. So, on a sales order, you have the ability to do GL accounts, items, fixed assets, resources. This is a charge item that's being applied to the invoice, either as or to account for, I should say, the discount or the surcharge that is showing up on the transaction.